If you're interested in making money online for free, one of the best ways is with affiliate marketing. First, sign up to become an affiliate. Make sure your affiliate offers match your niche. For example, if you have a YouTube channel in fishing or hunting, you could promote products that fishers or hunters would be interested in. Amazon has plenty of products to promote, although the downside is they don't pay very much. So I recommend a search of your niche plus affiliate offers, then apply directly to the company. This is usually going to pay more as well. And there's an endless supply of affiliate offers to choose from. Well, that's the easy part. The difficult part is making affiliate commissions with YouTube. That can be challenging because you need to get enough views on your videos. I can tell you from experience that I've made many videos that I thought were great quality, but I didn't get very many views, which means I didn't make any money. So, what can you do to fix this? You need to understand SEO, properly optimizing and ranking your videos, plus a host of other things, if you really want to grow your YouTube channel and earn a full-time living from it. That being said, I've discovered a course that can teach you everything you need to know to make affiliate commissions on YouTube. This course teaches you step-by-step how to make affiliate commissions on YouTube, even up to 6 figures a year. You'll learn how to search and buy like a consumer, make videos that convert to sales, and build an authority YouTube channel, plus much more. Click the link in the description to start right now. This course is perfect for affiliate marketers, email marketers, and business owners. I think it's best for beginners. However, experienced YouTubers could learn from this course too. If you're ready to get started, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching How to Make Affiliate Commissions with YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.